Halo, nama saya AJ dan ini adalah AJ TV. Saya sangat antusias untuk bereaksi grup favorit kita, Nona. Ayo menonton bersama saya saat kita bereaksi terhadap video-video mereka. So welcome to my channel. So I'm really excited because we're gonna react to the dance videos of Nona of my 3 most favorite songs. That's Work, Rollerblade, and Honk, their latest single. So by the way, I'm gonna say thank you to everyone who supported me, most especially my Indonesian friends. Terima kasih, Orchids. And for that, we're gonna have a shout out. Alright, so first and foremost, I would like to say thank you to Ivan for teaching me that Indonesian opening statement. So terima kasih, Ivan. And I would like to do a shout out to Karma Karimove 624. So I just like to read the entire comment in Indonesian. So hey Jay, saya mengikuti channel mo for my comment reaction here. Natural dan berkarakter, menikmati semua performance. Nona, begitulah seharusnya bereaksi YG akan membuat channel mo semakin berkembang. Greeting from Indo and good luck, Jay. So I translated it, so that's why I understood it. So by the way, shout out to you, Karma Karimov 624. So your comment is here right now on our video. By the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, HJ TV. And without any further ado, let's react to Nona. Oh damn, Chrisley. She's really flexible, guys. I like her. Yes, Baila. Sorry guys, I just like to say that the backup dancers really adds to the performance, so I'm loving it. Oh, Esther. Damn, Chrissy. Woo. Wait, I love that. Yeah. Go Shaz. Oh, I like the kick. Damn, Baila. Wow. I like that they put also some, extra choreo for that. Oh, I like the duo. Whoa, Baila. I love the choreo, like the steps. Oh, damn, Straz. I like the moves. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Come on. Wait. If you already watched my reaction to their performance at the HITC, so I've mentioned it that I like also the flexibility of the backup dancers. So let's do it again. This part, I really love this part. There you go. Love that. And also Christy, as always, so flexible. Damn. Damn. Damn, that kick. Boom! Damn, it really takes a lot of stamina to do this. Oh my gosh. I really like this opportunity to take a look on the performance of the girls, most especially on how they dance. And I'm really amazed because the way they move, the way their attitude, the swags, and the kicks, guys, it's really hard to do it. Most especially if the song or yeah, if the song is upbeat. So yeah, I love the choreo. Kudos, Nona. Whoa. By the way, guys, before we start this reaction, I just like to say that wearing rollerblades is really hard. So it was really a struggle for me because I really don't know how to use the rollerblades. So yeah, I commend them for this since all of them can dance while wearing a rollerblade. That's really hard. Damn. Yeah. Go guys! Island girls from Indonesia. Rollerblade. Damn, I like the sequence. Yes, Chrissy. Cool. Wait. I love the choreo there. When Bailey is trying to slap Christy. Yeah. Whoa, yeah, yeah, whoa. Damn. Just so you know, guys, so you know that I'm from the Philippines. So if you know Beanie, so they're also famous in the Philippines. They did this TikTok trend. So rollerblades has been a TikTok trend in the Philippines. So yeah, that's how famous the girls is in our country. Once again, let's do it one more. Let's then this one. Yeah, I like the slides. And by the way, guys, they are also so synchronized. That's what I love about them. So, there you go. Wow! I love that. The legs. Oh damn. I love that. B-E-E. Marola. Damn. Yeah. This one is I really love. What I really love also about them. The footworks. Nice, nice. I wanna do it. I wanna see it again. Oh no no no. This part. This one. Yeah, yeah. Whoa. Yeah. So, as always, I'm really amazed by the talents of these girls. So when I watched the HITC performance of the girls, I commend their vocals. So this time, I commend their dance skills. They really can dance. So I love everything about them. So there you go. That is our reaction to one of my favorites, actually. It's part of my playlist. So that's the Rollerblades. Oh, sheesh. There you go. Oh, wait, I love the little sneak about. Oh. Oh. Wait, I like Baila started the performance video or the dance. Yeah. Bang, bang. I like the little pump there. Get on the young cart. As a dancer, I like that they incorporated the song with their dance moves. So like if you're riding an ankart, so you're doing the moves like you're riding a car as well or a bus. So I love that. Damn, I like the outfits too. Oh! Go Shaz. Get that beaut. Get that booty. All night, all night, all night, all night. Whoa, the foot works. Nice. Okay. Damn. Whoa. Wait. Do you know, guys, where did they shoot this? It looks like they are in a marketplace on a parking lot. So our place is also the same in the Philippines. So I guess I'm right. So if I'm not right, so just let me know in the comments if you know where did they shoot this video. So by the way, let's finish this. Oh, that's it. I like the bus too. Is this the modern angkot? Oh. There you go, guys. So that is our reaction to the dance videos known as Work, Rollerblade, and Honk. So I really enjoyed it because those three are my favorites. So it's actually on my playlist right now, especially if I'm doing my workouts in the gym. So by the way, thank you so much for your love and support, Indonesia. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, HJTV. And you can also follow my social media accounts. So here we go. That's my Instagram or TikTok. So you can follow me there. And by the way, if you have comments and suggestions, just keep it coming. So just comment down below for anything for any videos that you would like me to react to, most especially if that's a Nona video. So this has been AJ TV. My name is AJ. See you guys next time on our next Nona reaction. Bye-bye.